Hi guys, I'm Mr. Jin here. So today we are gonna make a simple 2-minute snack. Before going to the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn the bell icon on so that you don't miss out any of my videos. So first of all, the only things that we want is 2 pieces of bread, 3 eggs and 2 slices of cheese. If you're not having cheese, it's okay. You can just change the dish from bread cheese omelette to bread omelette. Without cheese also it's tasty. Still, if you're having cheese, it would be much more tastier. Okay, now you can mix the egg. Don't forget to add salt. Now we need to spread ghee all over a preheated pan. Don't forget, always keep the flame in medium or else the egg will easily get burned. When the egg comes to a semi-fried stage, we can keep the bread over the egg. Don't forget to keep a small gap in between these breads or else we can't be able to fold it. Now place the cheese over the bread. Now we need to start folding the egg from both sides. After folding the sides, we can fold the bread. Now we can fry it until it comes to a golden brown color. Now as you can see, the color have changed and now it's ready to serve. So guys, don't forget to try it at least once. And if you guys like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and give a like for the video.